Looking for a WordPress hosting solution that's ready-made for Elementor? Let's dive into Elementor Hosting, a full-stack platform built by the creators of Elementor itself. In this Elementor Hosting review video, I'm taking you on a deep dive, breaking down the pricing, plans, standout features, and rock-solid security. I'll also go over the customer support, give you an inside look at the Elementor Hosting dashboard, and run a real-world speed and performance test on a live website powered by Elementor Hosting. Stick around, you'll get everything you need to decide if this hosting is a perfect fit for your next project. I provide the link in the description below to Elementor Hosting, where you get Elementor Hosting at a great low price, plus you get a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive commission from Elementor at no extra cost to you. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit Elementor Hosting. Elementor Hosting is a fully managed WordPress solution that's tightly integrated with the Elementor ecosystem. It combines high performance, cloud hosting, WordPress pre-installed, and Elementor page builder, giving you everything you need to build stunning, fast websites without the usual technical headaches. Elementor Hosting offers flexible plans starting at just $8.99 per month, designed to support everyone from solo creators to growing agencies. Here's a breakdown of each plan and what you get with it. The Host Cloud plan costs $8.99 a month. The plan comes with one auto-scaling website, 10 gigabytes of storage, 10 gigabytes per month of bandwidth, and daily backup stored for 7 days. The Host Cloud Plus plan costs $14.99 a month. The plan comes with one auto-scaling website, 20 gigabytes of storage, 20 gigabytes monthly bandwidth, and backup stored for 14 days. The Host Cloud X3 plan costs $24.99 a month, perfect if you're running multiple sites. This plan includes 3 auto-scaling websites, 40 gigabytes storage, 30 gigabytes bandwidth, and 30-day backup retention. The Host Cloud X10 plan costs $59.99 a month. The plan includes 10 auto-scaling websites with even more resources and longer backup storage. The Host Cloud X25 plan costs $119.99 a month, designed for high-demand users and agencies, offering support for 25 auto-scaling websites with premium resources across the board. All plans come with a free domain name, free site migration, premium SSL, WAF, DDoS, and botnet protection, and access to Cloudflare's enterprise CDN. Now let's take a look under the hood, because no matter which plan you choose, performance is where Elementor Hosting really shines. With Elementor Hosting, your site runs on powerful auto-scaling cloud technology built on Google Cloud for unmatched speed and reliability. Elementor Hosting delivers fast load speeds than other web hosting providers, helping boost your SEO and keep visitors more engaged on your site. When it comes to performance, Elementor Hosting doesn't mess around. You're getting fully managed WordPress hosting that's built specifically for Elementor sites, so everything runs fast, smooth, and optimized right out of the box. Behind the scenes, it's all powered by the Google Cloud Platform's C2 infrastructure, known for lightning fast speed and rock-solid reliability. And with Cloudflare's enterprise CDN, your site loads quickly from over 320 global locations, no matter where your visitors are. Top it off with advanced caching controls so you can fine-tune how your site loads and make it even faster for your users. Bottom line, with Elementor Hosting, your site performs like a pro right from day one. When it comes to performance, Elementor Hosting lets the numbers do the talking. You can get an impressive 109 milliseconds time to first byte, which means your site responds almost instantly. They're also ranked number 1 in Core Web Vitals as of March 2025, showing just how well optimized your site can be for speed and user experience. And with a 99.9% uptime guarantee, your website stays online and available when it matters most. Speed, reliability, and real results, that's the power of Elementor Hosting. Already have a site built with Elementor? Moving it is easier than you think. With Elementor Hosting, you get free site migration, done fast with advanced automation and backed by expert support. No stress, no downtime. Just a smooth move to a platform that's built to bring out the best in your Elementor website. Security, you're covered. With Elementor Hosting, your website is protected by multiple layers of powerful security. Every plan includes a free SSL certificate to keep your visitors' data safe with strong encryption, built-in web application firewall and DDoS protection, shield your site from harmful cyber attacks. For extra peace of mind, multi-factor authentication adds an additional layer of user verification. Your site stays secure with automatic security updates that patch vulnerabilities instantly. It also blocks dangerous botnet attacks, preventing unauthorized access and data breaches. And best of all, your website is under 24/7 monitoring by advanced tools and a dedicated security team, so threats are detected and stopped fast. With Elementor Hosting, security isn't an afterthought. It's built in from the ground up. With Elementor Hosting, you'll get around-the-clock support from experts who truly understand your setup. They won't play the blame game. Instead, they focus on getting you the help you need right when you need it. But support is more than just fixing problems. You also get access to a wealth of expert tips, tricks, and the latest Elementor news to keep you ahead in the web creation game. Plus, harness the power of AI-driven insights to sharpen your skills and build smarter websites. Now let's take a look at the Elementor Hosting dashboard so you can see exactly what it's like to manage your site once you're set up. Here's a quick look at what it looks like and how to navigate it. You can select things over in the left side menu. You can easily access the WordPress dashboard as well as accessing the editor for your site with Elementor easily. Next, let's take a look at the results from the speed and performance test I ran on Elementor Hosting. For this test, I've used a fully functioning website so you can see how a fully functioning website will perform. The site loaded on average in 1.2 seconds. Great website performance. I also did a performance test, and here's the results with all the different locations. Something to keep in mind is that I chose a server in the US, so you'll see great performance in the US as it's closest to the data center. You'll see the DNS speed, time to connect, TLS, and time to first byte. Great performance. So is Elementor Hosting worth it? Here's what I think after using and testing it. Elementor Hosting is an excellent choice for anyone fully embedded in the Elementor ecosystem, whether you're a freelancer builder, a small business, or an agency. You get enterprise hosting features, performance, and security out of the box, all designed to work seamlessly with Elementor. If you're comparing to traditional shared hosts, this is a high-value, hassle-free upgrade, especially if you're already using Elementor for site building. I hope you enjoyed this Elementor Hosting review and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Elementor Hosting tutorial videos.